Hello everyone and welcome to another Swift tutorial. In this tutorial we're going to be going over structs and classes and the differences between them. You'll likely seen so far going through this tutorial series that we've used structs and classes, and so now in this video I'd like to show some of the differences between using a struct and using a class. So let's take a look at what we have here. We have a class, dog class, and a struct, dog struct. So dog class 1 is a new instance of dog class. So dog class 1 name is going to be first dog name, and then we're going to see what the dog name is for dog class 1. And then dog class 2 here is going to be instantiated by dog class 1. And then we're going to set dog class 2 name to second dog name. And then we are going to take a look again at dog class 1 to see if any changes were made. So let's go ahead and run that. And we see that there were changes have been made. So the change was made here because this essentially is a reference to dog class 2 is essentially a reference to dog class 1. So any changes that are made in dog class 2 will be made in dog class 1, hence passing by reference. So now let's take a look at dog struct 1. So this dog struct here, let's take a look at passing by value. So dog struct 1 name is going to be equal to first dog name. We're going to take a look at it. And then dog struct 2 is going to be instantiated by dog struct 1. And then we're going to do the exact same thing. Take a look at dog struct 2 name. We're changing it here. And then we want to see if there's any change made in dog struct 1. So let's go ahead and run that. And there was no change. So dog struct 1 has maintained its name the entire time. And that's because here, right here, we essentially created a copy of dog struct 1 for dog struct 2. So we take the value of dog struct 1 and instantiate it as dog struct 2. Or excuse me, take dog struct 2 and instantiate it with the value of dog struct 1. So now dog struct 2 has the value of dog struct 1, but it's not referring specifically to dog struct 1. So this is how this is how structs and classes differ, and how using a struct can be a lot safer, especially dealing with a model object, especially when referring to a database or a JSON object from a web service. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, this should likely be the last Swift video in this tutorial series. Like I said, I might make more though. So if you guys have any questions, let me know. If you'd like to see anything else or touch on something even further, let me know. But the next videos will likely be more iOS development. So look forward to seeing you guys in that series.